circular current loop as a magnetic dipole. We have evaluated the magnetic field on the axis of circular loop of a radius r carrying a steady current I. This is already the formula for circular loop. B is equal to mu naught I r square by 2x square plus r square whole power 3 by 2. Here small x is distance between the center of the coil to point. R is the radius of the coil. Here x is the distance along the axis from the center of the loop. For x very greater than r, if we may drop the r square term in the denominator. Suppose if x is very greater than r, means r square is neglected in denominator only. So if the denominator r square is neglected, means so it will become x square whole power 3 by 2 will come. So 2 cancel. So x cube So here b is equal to mu naught I r square by 2x cube. Here r square is neglected. Only denominator r square only neglected because of the denominator value only very less. Because of whole power 3 by 2, this only neglected. So it will become b is equal to mu naught I r square by 2x cube. Here, the formula for area of the loop. A is equal to pi r square. So from A is equal to pi r square, you see r square is equal to a by pi. Cross multiply, you will get r square is equal to a by pi. So substitute here, r square value you substitute here. So b is equal to mu naught I r square. Instead of r square you substitute a by pi. Already 2x cube is there, 2x cube. So b is equal to mu naught Ia by 2 pi x cube. Here already you know the formula magnetic moment. It's a magnetic moment, small m is equal to I into A. That is current into area. The product of current into area is nothing but magnetic moment. So m is equal to Ia, already you know that one. So instead of Ia, you substitute m. So b is equal to or approximately equal to mu naught m by 2 pi x cube. So instead of Ia, you substitute m. So mu naught m by 2 pi x cube. Here you see mu naught m by 2 pi x cube. Here for this equation, multiplying and dividing by 2. So multiplying and dividing by 2, what happened? So mu naught 2m by 2 into 2, 4 pi x cube. So multiplying and dividing by 2. So we will get what? 2m divided by 4 pi x cube. This equation is called magnetic dipole. This is a magnetic dipole. B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by x cube. This is a magnetic dipole formula. Here mu naught is the permeability of free space. M is a magnetic moment. So divided by x cube. 2m means dipole. Di means 2. So dipole 2m. So this is the equation of magnetic dipole. Here one important concept. Magnetic dipole formula mu naught by 4 pi 2m by x cube. From first lesson you know that one electric dipole. Electric dipole formula already you know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by x cube. This is from first lesson, electric dipole. Here magnetic dipole. Compare these two equation. It's more or similar. How? See here mu naught 2m 2p is similar. Like that x cube. X cube means distance. Here mu naught is nothing but here 1 by epsilon naught. See mu naught equal to 1 by epsilon naught. 4 pi equal. Mu naught is equal to 1 by 4 pi. It's not equal, it's a similar. Similar. So 4 pi mu naught 1 by epsilon naught 2m 2p x cube. So it means the magnetic dipole and the electric dipole, it's a more or similar in this concept.